Hey guys, looking to start a car detailing business? I'm going to show you how you could do that with a $500 budget. $500, no más. We're going to be shopping at Home Depot and then at Amazon so that you could get all the basic tools and equipment that you need to start detailing cars as soon as tomorrow and start making money. Let's go. So the first thing we're gonna get is a 4-gallon wet dry vac made by Rigid. This is a powerful little vacuum, and I guarantee you that 90% of car detailers are either using this or have it in their arsenal. And right now, it's currently on sale for $79.97, which is why they're all gone. So hopefully you're able to catch this sale. If not, we're going to be buying it at $99.97. So that's our first purchase. Let's move on to the next item. All right, guys, this is the second item we're going to be picking up, a Ryobi pressure washer, 1800 PSI. That's more than enough to wash vehicles. This is one of the first machines that I bought when I started detailing, and I still use it on my second van. It goes for $99. Let's go to the next item. All right, guys, now we're at the garden section to pick up a hose. And I recommend, and I also have the Gorilla 50-foot hose. It goes for $44.98. They do have a 100-foot one that's $69.98, but remember, we're on the budget. Now, I also have a 100-foot one, but I rarely use it. The 50-foot is more than enough for $44.98, made by Gorilla. So now we're at the electrical department, and we're going to be picking up this HDX indoor and outdoor extension cord. It's 100 feet long, and it goes for $19.98. They do have a 50 feet long one for $16.58, so for a couple bucks more, you could get double the length. And we're going to be using this to run power to our vacuum and our pressure washer. Let's go to the next item. And while we're still at the electrical department, we want to pick up one of these in which we're going to be able to plug in multiple machines at once. This is heavy duty and it goes for $3.98. Bruh. It would have been cool if I popped out of the barrel, but can't do that. Now we're going to be picking up two of these Zep professional spray bottles at $3.98 each. We're going to get two because one is going to be dedicated to the wheels and tires, and the other one is going to be for the all-purpose spray to clean the interior of the vehicle. So again, we're taking two of these. Now we're going to pick up a pack of these HDX microfiber towels. Each pack goes for $9.98. They come in two colors, orange and gray. So you're going to have 12 orange ones and 12 gray ones. And we're going to use the orange ones only to clean windows and gray ones only to clean the door jambs. Now, when we wash these, we never want to wash them together. This way we don't cross-contaminate. So pick up a pack of this. It comes with 24 towels at $9.98. Now, to clean the windows and the mirrors of the vehicle, we're going to go with this glass cleaner made by Sprayway. It's $3.68 each. You just need one can to start because one will last you for about 10 cars. Now, we're going to pick up two Home Depot buckets. These are very sturdy. They're going to last you a long time. They go for $3.98 each. We want two of them because one is going to be dedicated to clean the wheels and tires of the vehicles, and the other one is going to be dedicated for the shampoo wash of the exterior of the vehicle. And that's it, guys. These are all the items we're going to need at Home Depot. So far, we're halfway there, and we're still within our $500 budget. Now we're going to go on Amazon to get the rest of the tools and equipment we need to start detailing vehicles and making money. All right, guys, now we're on Amazon.com where we're going to get the rest of the items that we need to start our car detailing business. We're going to look for good quality, good pricing, and free shipping. Now to start, we're going to pick up a P&S Express interior cleaner. This is good for vinyl, leather, plastics, almost everything in the interior of the vehicle could be cleaned with this. It goes for $28.95 and it's also dilutable. You could dilute it 1-to-1. So you get 2 gallons out of it. I personally dilute it 1-to-5. So I get 5 gallons out of this. I believe less is best. And if I put 20% of Express in my spray bottle and 80% distilled water, it still gets the job done. So let's add this to our cart for $28.95. And now we're going to pick up these SPTA scrubbing sponges. They're just like the Scrub Ninjas. However, the Scrub Ninjas, you could get like 3 of them for like $15. Here, you can get 8 pieces for $16.99. I use this to cover the majority of the surfaces when I'm cleaning the interior of the car. It's very good quality. So we're going to go with Brake Buster by P&S. I've been using this product for a couple of years, and I like to dilute it 1-to-1 so I get 2 gallons out of 1. It's non-acid. It helps remove brake dust, oil, dirt, and grime, light corrosion, and it costs $34 But remember, I dilute it, so I get 2 gallons for the price of 1. Let's move on to the next item. Now we're going to pick up these SPTA 8 pieces wheel and tire brush car detailing kit. I'm going to use the bigger brushes for the wheels and tires and the inside of the rims. I'm going to use half of the brushes, the little brushes, just half of them to clean the cracks and crevices of the rims. Now, the other half of the little brushes, I'm actually going to use for the interior of the vehicle. And I'm going to keep them separated. So it's pretty cool because with one package, I have brushes for the exterior and have brushes for the interior, all for $19.99. Let's move on to the next product. Now we're going to pick up this foam cannon by Tool Daily. It's currently on sale for $19.99. The original price is $29.99. But trust me, guys, this tool is always on sale for $19.99. It's sturdy. And what I like about it is that it comes with all of these different degrees nozzles. So let's put this on our cart. This is going to help us shampoo the vehicle. For the shampoo, in which we're going to be putting inside the foam cannon, I like to go with the Meguiar's Gold Class. This is inexpensive. It's high quality. It's got over 12,000 ratings, almost 5 stars. So you can't go wrong with Gold Class at $9.69. And now we have our shampoo for the exterior wash. Let's move on to the next item. So after we've done the pre-rinse, and now we're going to do the shampoo, contact wash, we want to have a nice microfiber mitt. And Chemical Guy sells a pretty good one. This helps trap dirt, grime. It avoids scratching and swirling the paint. Of course, we always want to make sure there's lubrication. We never want to put too much pressure when we're doing the contact wash. So let's pick up this mitt for $6.99. And now we're going to need something to dry the car. So I've been using this gauntlet towel by the Rack Company for many years now. It goes for $25.95. You get 2 of them for this price. But believe me, you only need 1 to dry a whole car. So having 2 is awesome. I definitely recommend this. It's got over 5,000 reviews. Again, it's $25.95. Let's move on to our next item. Now that the car has been completely cleaned, it looks beautiful, we want to make sure those tires are looking nice too. So I like to go with VRP. This is good for vinyl, rubber, and plastic. So you can give your tires a good shine. Also, you could use this product to give the interior plastic panels and vinyl and leather a nice shine also. And it's supposed to come with UV protection in it. And it costs $11.97. It's got over 31,000 ratings on Amazon. Let's move on to our final product. Now, if you have a Costco near you, you could go and pick up 36 of these Kirkland towels for $19.99. They're 16 by 16 inches, 80% polyester, 20% Polymade. And they also have them at BJ's and Sam's Club. Not the same brand, but the same quality and pricing. You can also find this on Amazon, but it's not sold by Costco, and they cost like $25 to $30 for 36 of them. So if you could make your way over to Costco, you'll be able to save a couple more dollars there. And that's it, guys. With a $500 budget, these are the basic tools and equipment you could get to start your car detailing business and start making money. Remember, you don't have to go all out. If I would have seen a video like this years ago when I started, I would have saved thousands of dollars and avoided a lot of headaches. Remember, big businesses start small. Yes, down the road, you're going to get better equipment, tools, and chemicals to help you get the job done faster, more efficient, but that's in the near future. To get started, this is all you need. If you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share any questions or suggestions you may have in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to continue sharing videos like this. The next one is going to be about the importance of having a Google business page and all the benefits that come with it. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Now, down the road, you may want to get a workbench. They do have a DeWalt one here at Home Depot for $89, and it's collapsible. You just press this button right here, and just like that, you have a table where you can put your equipment, brushes, spray bottles. You can even use it to clean the car floor mats. This will make your life a lot easier now. You don't need it at the moment, but down the road, you may want to look into it.